Hey, how's it going guys? Stefan is here, welcome back for another video. In today's video we'll check the macOS 11.2. This is new update from Apple, which is being released a few days ago. So this is the MacBook Pro from 2015, so we'll see if there's any changes. Also, I'm gonna do a follow-up video after this update, so stay tuned, make sure to subscribe and like the video. So the update was 3 gigabytes. So this varies about your device, and if you're on an older version, probably the update will be bigger. But as you can see, 3 gigabytes is not a lot. Actually, they're fixing some problems, some issues with the older devices. My device actually was okay. I didn't have any problems with the apps. All the apps was working completely fine. Also, the battery, the problem with the drain was fixed as well with the 11.1. So I hope the update now is stable, the battery is okay, but like I said, I'm gonna do a follow-up video after this update, so we'll see the battery if it's okay. But so far so good, the battery was okay, no problems with the applications, the Mac is working very well. Actually, I'm impressed because I was expecting some bugs and some problems. Some devices had problems with the 2015 models. Let me know in the comments down below which MacBook you have currently, and if you have any issues, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. What is the problems that I had before? Like I said, the battery most likely was draining very fast, but this was fixed in 11.1. and now we have a 11.2, 3 gigabytes. So let's see what is the new problems that they're fixing now. So external display may show a black screen when connecting to a Mac Mini M1. This is for the 2020 model. Also using an HDMI to DVA converter. Edits to Apple Pro RAW photos in Photos app may not save. So if you have this problem, let me know in the comments down below. iCloud Drive could turn off after disabling the iCloud Drive desktop and documents folder options. So again, leave it in the comments down below if you have these issues. System preferences may not unlock when entering administrator passwords. Also, again, this is a common issue as well. Some people was saying that they had a problem with this. Globe key may not display its emojis symbols pane when are pressed. So yeah, again, so small problems, but I think many people had issues with some of the problems. But like I said, my MacBook was working completely fine, and this is the 2015 model, the high-spec version. Amazing laptop, I love it, no problems whatsoever. I edit every day all my videos. Like I said, all the applications was working fine. So let me know in the comments down below if you have any issues, and also let me know in the comments if you're on an older version, because many people, they are afraid to update their devices because they're thinking that most of the apps will not work properly. But I can confirm that 11.1 is completely fine. Now 11.2, we'll see if there's any bugs. Probably will be some bugs, but yeah, if you have any problems, any issues, leave it in the comments down below. So this is, I hope this is okay for you today. So let me know what do you think. Let me know what do you want to see in the follow-up video. This is Stefan. As always, I'll see you in the next video.